Hey guys, welcome to Datasie. In this video, we're gonna solve some problems about GCF and LCM. For these problems, feel free to pause the video if you wanna solve these problems. In the first step, we're gonna find the prime factorization of 36 and 12. Let's try it. The prime factorization of 36 equals to 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. And 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. So we have 3, 3, 2, and 2. And the prime factorization of 36 equals to 2 squared times 3 squared. And the prime factorization of 12 equals to 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So we have 3, 2, another 2. And the prime factorization of 12 equals to 2 squared times 3. In the second step, we're going to find the common prime factors of 36 and 12, which is 3 and 2. And I'm going to put them in the intersection part of these two circles, 3 and 2. And I'm going to put the remaining prime factors of 36, which is 3 and 2, in here. And other prime factors of 12, which is 2, in here. So the GCF of 36 and 12 is the products of all numbers in the intersection part of these two circles, which is 3 and 2. And the products of 3 and 2 is 3 times 2 equals to 6. And the LCM of 36 and 12 is the products of all numbers in two circles, which is 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. Or in other words, 2 to the third power times 3 squared, which is 72. In the next example, we're going to find the LCM and GCF of 27 and 114. Like always, we're going to find the prime factorization of these two numbers. The prime factorization of 27 equals to 27 divided by 3 equals to 9. 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. So we have 3, 3, and 3. And the prime factorization of 27 equals to 3 to the third power. And the prime factorization of 114 equals to 114 divided by 2 equals to 57, and 57 divided by 3 equals to 19. So we have 19, 3, and 2. So the prime factorization of 14 equals to 2 times 3 times 19. And in the second step, we're going to find the common prime factors of these two numbers, which is 3. And I'm going to put it in here, in the intersection part of these two circles. And I'm going to put the remaining prime factors of 113 in here, and other prime factors of 27, which is 3 and 3 in here. So the GCF of 114 and 27 is the products of all numbers in the intersection part of these two circles, which is just 3, and the LCM of 27 and 114 is the products of all numbers in two circles, which is 2 times 19 times 3 times 3 times 3. Or in other words, we have 2 times 19 times 3 to the third power. And in the last example, we have 38 and 148. So like always, we're going to find the prime factorization of 38 and 148. So the prime factorization of 38 equals to 48 divided by 2 equals to 24. 24 divided by 2 equals to 12. 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So we have 3, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So the prime factorization of 48 equals to 2 to the first power times 3. And the prime factorization of 148 equals to 148 divided by 2 equals to 74, and 74 divided by 2 equals to 37. So we have 37, 2, another 2. So the prime factorization of 138 equals to 12 squared times 37. And the second step, we're going to find any common prime factors of these two numbers. So the common prime factors of 148 and 48 equals to 2, another 2. And I'm going to put them in here, in the intersection part of these two circles. And in the next step, I'm going to put other prime factors of 148, which is 37 in here, and other prime factors of 38, which are 2, 2, and 3 in here. 2, 2, and 3. So the GCF of 48 and 148 equals to the product of all numbers in the intersection part of these two circles, which is 2 times 2, or 4. And the LCM of 38 and 148 equals to the products of all numbers in two circles, which is 37 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Or in other words, 2 to the first power times 3 times 37. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.